Yo, welcome back, folks. South Statistics Ninja out here. Good old Snowmageddon. Yeah, this shit is still lingering around, folks. Got a lot of snow to deal with, and I'm sick of it. I'm just freaking sick of it. Yep, I'm just really sick of all this snow being on everything. So, as you can see, I've walked to one of the furthest points on the property, and it's time. Yeah, snow caught me, buried this thing, had this canopy cover that I had covering it. It filled up that little hole right there with ice, and I could not get it out. So now we got a battery, there's no ice. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up and move it. We got the battery up out of there. As you guys can see, no more battery. I gotta clean out that battery tray. But the issue we're having now, I just called myself, pre-gaming it. And I went and grabbed the battery at 7 o'clock this morning when the place opened. And had a bunch of other stuff to do. Went to go put the damn battery in that I picked up this morning. And Houston, we got a problem. So that battery tray is exactly the size of this battery here. So that battery won't fit. So we're on our way back to Freak Pride to more than likely spend some more money. Because I know I can exchange that, but I wouldn't be surprised if this smaller battery that has just as much power as that costs more money. Y'all know how the fuck they do us, man. Let's go see. Alright, it's always a expensive day in trucking when you gotta go here. Alright, man. Shout out to Fleet Pride. Them boys got me out the way. We got the battery. Alright, now let's get back to the yard. It's just lunchtime though. Stop and get something to eat. Little hungry. All this thinking and shit, trying to think of how to fix these problems I got. We getting it though. Y'all stay tuned. More to come. We gonna get this thing working today. We are digging out of Snowmageddon. Not in Snowmageddon after the day. Shit. Alright. Got that battery installed. Put a good old X-side. It's a, shit, man, I forgot. It's the battery that fits in here. It's the right one for in here. It's got the dual terminals on it so I can add stuff. Got my little strobe light so I can get up on the street with it. Alright, well, I'm gonna clean up my tools and I'm gonna see if this thing starts. Oh, feels good to be in my babe again. I ain't been in here in a while. Got a little water dripping. Got me a little diesel heater over here. See if she... Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, 9 seconds for the glow plug. It's warm today. When it's cold, maybe 20 seconds on that countdown. Alright. Hey, baby. What up, little mama? What up, little mama? What's going on with you, little mama? Uh-oh. I have to put some fluid in it just to get it to move. Runs good though. Let's turn the brakes. That's on. This brakes off. Press the operator. Oh, I just forgot how to use this thing. I know I took pretty decent care of my shit. Alright, so I need to fix that. And then these over here are leaking. Alright, well, I can't record and drive this thing, so I'll be back. Alright, here she is. She needs some love. She's alive and kicking. Got some good tires over here that I need to grab. New engine. Runs good. Yeah, I gotta see what I can do about this tire. I think it holds air. I know the other ones are full air, solid filled. But this is the problem. We're just oozing out of it, so we gotta fix that. Clearly, y'all can see it leaking out of this one. Sounds like I got that cover touching back there. So, and we need some lights. Yeah, I think I want new lights for it. I think I have a door for it. But, yep. This is the newest, or not newest project, but this is this week's ordeal. This is to fix the skid steer. All right, man, it's getting cold. Got to brainstorm if I'm actually going to pull this into the shop to take it apart, because it's going to make a really big mess on the floor. And I'm not sure, but I think I can just put 2 drain pans, one here and one on the other side, and I'll be all right. So, yeah, we're probably about to pull this inside, and we'll leave it inside for the night. That way it can fully thaw out. And then tomorrow we will have action. Well, got that fixed. That is the 4th project for the day. Whew, long day. But we got it done. Appreciate y'all for watching. Glad I could share that with y'all. Anybody was worried about me, I know y'all wasn't, but if you were, I can now deal with Snowmageddon. So, ciao. Find another motorcycle to fix. I'll let y'all later. Y'all be safe.